Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ingite 3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Polar logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on you will need to download and install the Polar Flow application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Polar Flow. Once you search for the app, you should see the app on the list, as you can see. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the get button to download and install it. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. And once you open the app, you may see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions, for example Bluetooth one. This one is required, so I recommend to tap on OK. Next we have the notification one. It's not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow it. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Then we can tap on get started and log in into Polar Flow account. If you don't have an account, tap on create account right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password, and then I can tap on sign in. And after you log in, it might direct you to this page, but if it doesn't, tap on the more options icon in the bottom right corner, tap on devices, and if you don't have any device connected to your account, you will see this page. And once you see it, press the side button on the watch to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it, then select the general settings, tap on pair and sync, and tap on pair and sync the phone. Watch will enter the pairing mode and the app should detect your watch. Once it does, tap on start, tap on OK. For some reason we have the problem. Let me check actually in the Bluetooth settings of our iPhone. I have it right here. I'm gonna remove it. For some reason it's right here on the list. So I'm gonna remove devices and then let's try again. So tap on pair and sync, tap on start, tap on pair, tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you see the pop-up about the permission for the location, you can allow it or deny it. This one is required if you want to track your activities on the map, like cycling, running and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can deny this permission. I'm just gonna allow it. Then you will see this page, and here we can change a few settings for our watch. You can change the preferred wrist, time format, language of the device, and the preferred sleep time. And once you're done, you can tap on save and sync and wait until the setup process is complete. Right here we can tap on view introduction to see how to use our watch. I'm just gonna tap on close, and now when we tap on devices, you should see your Polar 3 or Polar Ingite 3 on the device page, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.